Hey guys, today I'm in the beautiful gated community of Bella Collina. It's a golf course community, country club style, and it has two different sides to it. There's the villa side and then there's the estate side. Today I'm on the golf villa side and we're about to view the Milan built by Dreamfinders. There are several different builders in Bella Collina, but let us go ahead and investigate what is so great about the Milan being built by Dreamfinders. So we're in the beautiful Milan. The Milan is a spot home being built by Dreamfinders in Bella Collina, as you know, that's where we're in. As you enter the Milan, there's going to be a two-car garage on your right because you'll be entering from the front door. I'm in reverse right now. And then as you come down the hallway, you're going to go have a half bath over here on this side. Then you have your master bedroom around the corner, which features its own ensuite. After that, we come right over into the family room or the kitchen area. The kitchen is going to offer a 42 inches cabinet. You could choose between granite or quartz countertop. You could choose between a gourmet kitchen or a regular kitchen. From off the kitchen, we have an eating area. Then we have a dining and family room on this side. We have a beautiful sliding door. The sliding glass door is 9 feet. And then this one has the extra panel where you could bring it all the way out to get to a hidden door, and from there you walk out to your patio. What I like about the Milan is it's this two-story feel it gives right here. So as you could see from downstairs, you could look all the way up to the loft area upstairs. Upstairs, there is 3 bedrooms, 2 more bathrooms. Your laundry would be upstairs. So this is one of the model home that is being built by Dreamfinders that offers you 2,700 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2-car garage. The master is downstairs. All the other bedrooms are upstairs with the laundry room. You go up to a nice loft area when you enter upstairs with 3 other bedrooms. There's also another bedroom upstairs that has its own bathroom. So there's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths upstairs.